camp, Kingston, the Pathfinders, is having their spring camp out. And they have this Bible game. Today is Saturday afternoon. And they're having this game.
Yes! You know how you have most there, whatever they come from nowadays, water sometimes is okay? What are we gonna say about the rock?
He's a big brother.
No? Let's say it's a firm foundation. You know, it's a good family, it's a nice structure. They like to talk to each other. I can't say.
They like to go swimming.
Okay, they like swimming. Okay, so now we gotta grab him and then somebody explain. Who's gonna explain? Volunteer, who's gonna? He's right there.
Explain me.
Okay. Go. Anyway, and I'll tell the soldiers.
Okay, that's good. But you have to do one more thing.
We have to say a kind of family prayer that we do together. Remember it? Okay, let's say it together. And now may the Lord watch between me and thee while we're absent one from another. Amen.
Good job.
And that is a prayer that was between two biblical characters. That was from Jacob and his father-in-law. That they said that while they were part of the
Dance.
Okay. I need a pen and I'll mark out here.
Oh, you don't have
I get my shoe.
Okay, everybody can grab the article.
Okay,
Okay, who wants to read it? Me. Who wants to open it?
Hey guys. How's Kaylee? The numbers there. Sleeping?
Get out of the way, right? Get out of the way. Randall, get ready. Randall, get ready. Randall. Can I pray now? Okay, can I pray now?
Quiet.
Okay,
I'm going to use a paper plate.
All of us ball players. Go to the back.
Boy, that's such a nice smell. It's a new song. I can't believe he's making us wash the dishes. We have this on tape. Just because we're ball players, we have to wash all the dishes. It's supposed to happen. He's going to come back there.
You gotta eat all the food.
I'm not going to eat it all.
Then.
And